Welcome back to HU Hub, the #1 spot for hydrogen product reviews. Today we're reviewing the Hydro for Health 4500 Pro, a high-capacity hydrogen inhalation system built for clinics, wellness centers, and serious in-home users. My name is Taiwan Hubbard with HU Hub, and this is the 4500 Pro hydrogen inhalation system from the company Hydro for Health. The 4500 Pro is a professional-grade system designed for those who seek maximum hydrogen output with advanced safety features. If you're looking for a device that combines cutting-edge performance with long-term reliability, then this product and this review are exactly what you've been waiting for. Here's a quick breakdown of what we'll cover in this review. What is it for and who is it for? Details such as the company who sells it, key features and comparisons, tips and tricks to using this device, user experience, safety and maintenance, our seal of approval and test results, my personal opinion, and 3 reasons why you should consider this product. So, what is this product for? The Hydro for Health 4500 Pro is designed for advanced hydrogen inhalation therapy, delivering consistent, high-capacity hydrogen gas for systemic wellness. It supports cellular energy, reduces oxidative stress, and promotes recovery, making it ideal for intensive therapeutic use, whether in integrative medical clinics or at home. And who is this product for? This device is perfect for those seeking quick, efficient results with minimum maintenance required, making it a hassle-free option for daily use. This device is best suited for integrative health clinics, wellness centers, and individuals with serious health goals who require high output and long duration hydrogen inhalation sessions. It's also a strong fit for biohackers and advanced home users looking for professional grade performance, safety, and reliability in their hydrogen therapy. First off, the basics. Who sells the 4500 Pro? What does it offer? And how does it compare to similar devices? The 4500 Pro is sold by Hydro for Health, a newer branch of Photon for Health, a company that has been in the wellness space for over 10 years with low-level laser therapy. Based in the Netherlands, Hydro for Health launched in 2024 with a focus on bringing powerful, professional-grade hydrogen devices to both clinics and home users, combining modern science with a holistic approach to health. If you're curious about the price, just head over to our website. That's where you'll find the latest info. And the best part is you'll save a little when you go through HU Hub. Now, what are some of the key features of this device? First off, the 4500 Pro delivers high-capacity H2 outputs. HU Hub verifies its output range from 1500 to 3100 milliliters per minute, putting it in the upper therapeutic range, and its build quality ranks it among the top performers we've tested. This high H2 output isn't just about big numbers. It enables upper range H2 dosing and high tissue exposure, a fit for clinics, wellness centers, and users seeking maximum H2 exposure. It uses advanced PEM SPE technology to make sure you're getting 99.9% pure molecular hydrogen every time, with built-in H2O2 gas separation for safety and gas purity. This is a professional-grade device built for heavy use with a large 4-liter reservoir and the ability to run all day while staying surprisingly quiet. You also have flexibility with adjustable flow rate settings, 1500, 3000, or 4500 milliliters per minute, depending on how you want to run your session. Safety is a huge priority, and the 4500 Pro has 6 layers of built-in protection, from low water sensors to cooling systems and internal filters that keep the gas clean and the system safe. It's also designed with enough output for 2 people to breathe hydrogen at the same time if desired, which may be suitable for clinics, wellness centers, or even sharing at home. And one of my favorite parts is the large, easy to read touch display. It gives you a modern interface that makes the whole experience simple and intuitive. Now, let's talk about what you're getting for your money. When you invest in the 4500 Pro, you're getting a high-capacity, upper therapeutic range H2 system. It's built to last, engineered for safety, and designed for real therapeutic use at home or in a clinic with enough output to run 2 cannulas simultaneously via a splitter. Let's consider how this device compares to similar units on the market. Compared to other hydrogen inhalation devices, the 4500 Pro is a high-capacity upper therapeutic range performer. Most home use systems deliver modest flow rates, and many professional units cap out well below this tier. The 4500 Pro is more than double the output of low flow rate devices while maintaining high purity and layered safety protection, remaining within safe recommended levels. Add high flow rate dual user capacity with the splitter is an advantage you won't see in smaller or lower tier devices. If performance and capacity are priorities, then this machine is hard to beat. Here are a couple tips and tricks of using this product. Here's a tip for a high capacity system like the 4500 Pro. With this device, you're operating near the upper end of our recommended therapeutic level. We recommend reserving the max 4500 setting for dual user sessions or specific supervised protocols. Many athletes, larger individuals, and men with higher lung capacities may tolerate that output solo, but smaller frame users, and especially youth, should stick with the lower settings. The device comes with a 3-way connector that allows 2 people to inhale H2 at the same time, but you'll have to purchase an extra cannula with the system. And as a reminder, at H2 Hub, we do not recommend or approve any device that delivers an inhaled hydrogen concentration above 15%. That is our safety cutoff, and every product we approve is tested to make sure it stays below that threshold, even at the highest normal breathing rate. This gives you a clear safety margin while still delivering a strong therapeutic dose. Next up is the user experience, how this device looks, feels, and operates day to day. On the back, you'll find an AC power cord input, master switch, 2 cooling fans, and pump operated ports for adding and draining water, plus a backup drain port. The sides include sturdy handles for lifting and heat ventilation slots. On the front, there is a large digital touch display, the hydrogen and oxygen ports, and the bubbling humidifier reservoir. On the top, you'll see safety warning labels and USB ports for the optional ATP Energy Watch. The touchscreen makes operation simple. You can set a session time from 1 to 8 hours. The add water button lets you fill the system when it's low, and the drain water button clears the system automatically. Flow rate buttons allow you to select between 1500, 3000, or 4500 milliliters per minute. Run stop button starts or stops hydrogen production, and the back button takes you back to the main menu. For setup, plug in the unit and turn on the master switch. Add distilled water through the pump using the included tubing, and the display will let you know when it's full. Fill the humidifier reservoir with distilled water to the max line and reattach it to the unit. Connect your nasal cannula to the hydrogen port or the H2 and O2 ports together. Choose your session time and flow rate on the display, then press start to begin inhalation. Optionally, you can use the ATP Energy Watch during your session for added support. Let's talk about safety, because the 4500 Pro is designed with multiple layers of protection to keep the system running smoothly and reliably. The 4500 Pro also comes loaded with built-in safety mechanisms to make sure your system runs smoothly and safely. Here's a quick rundown. Low water protection keeps the cells from overheating when water runs low. Large distilled water reservoir helps to maintain heat and protect the system. Internal fans prevents hydrogen buildup in case of a leak and also keeps things cool. Reservoir water cooler keeps the water temperature down and protects the H2 cells. Internal gas separator ensures you're getting clean, pure hydrogen. Deionization resin filter removes unwanted minerals or ions to improve purity. Heat vents releases excessive heat and keeps the system stable. Water quality protection. If the water input quality is poor or TDS is high, the system will automatically alarm and stop. Over temperature protection. If the electrolytic cells get too hot, the machine will alarm and shut down. Overload protection. If the voltage in the cell is too high, the device will automatically stop for safety. Now let's go over what this unit requires to maintain its performance. Maintenance on the 4500 Pro is pretty straightforward. Since it runs on distilled water, the main thing you'll be doing is refilling the reservoir as needed and draining it if the machine won't be in use for a while or needs to be transported. The system makes this easy with a built-in draining function and clearly labeled ports, so you don't have to mess with funnels or complicated steps. It is also good practice to completely drain and refill the system once a month. Doing this helps limit wear on the internal deionizing filter which is recommended to be replaced yearly. Though with good maintenance and fresh distilled water, it may last longer. And when it's time for a new filter, you can always contact the distributor for guidance. Overall, it's a low maintenance device. Now let's talk about our seal of approval and how the 4500 Pro earned it. Every device we test has to go through H2 Hub's full evaluation process, which includes verifying hydrogen outputs, safety systems, and overall build quality against our performance standards. Only products that meet or exceed those standards receives H2 Hub's seal of approval. For the 4500 Pro, we set it up using distilled water and ran it through multiple 1-hour sessions at each flow rate setting, 1,500, 3,000, and 4,500 milliliters per minute. We measured the actual hydrogen gas output using an Alley-Cat hydrogen mass flow meter, the same type of equipment trusted in labs and industry testing. And all our results were corrected to standard atmospheric conditions for accuracy. The device flow rate settings displays the total hydrogen and oxygen gas production. This is referred to as oxyhydrogen. For example, on the 3,000 milliliter per minute setting, the device aims to produce 2,000 milliliters per minute of hydrogen and 1,000 milliliters per minute of oxygen, totaling a 3,000 milliliter per minute flow rate of total gas, oxyhydrogen, 66% H2, 33% O2. Here's what we found. At the 1500 setting, the device averaged approximately 1,513 milliliters per minute of hydrogen. At the 3000 setting, we measured approximately 2,303 milliliters per minute. And at the highest 4500 setting, the 4500 Pro delivered 3,193 milliliters per minute of hydrogen gas, even higher than the manufacturer's claim. This means the 4500 Pro isn't just meeting its claims, it's outperforming them. With an electrolytic cell efficiency of 97%, high purity hydrogen at 99.9%, and 7 layers of built-in safety, this device checks every box. That's why the Hydro for Health 4500 Pro has officially earned H2 Hub's seal of approval. Alright, so now let's get into my personal opinion of this device. I only have a couple things I really want to cover with it that really caught my interest. The first thing would be the build quality of this system is top notch. You don't really find systems that have metal housing and come with this level of engineering. And so first and foremost, it's just a really high-end, high-quality system. I really like that about the device. Secondly would be its high flow rate. Now, this is the thing with high flow rates. They come with a caveat, meaning that the higher the flow rate of hydrogen gas, the more safety concerns you have to consider. But this system does end up pushing what you would call the upper window of the therapeutic range, and it's still safe. So based on our calculations, it's just really cool. So I like the fact that they are giving you higher doses of hydrogen gas. And we see this in the scientific research that higher doses are outperforming lower doses. So this aids to the therapeutic potential of the system. So I like that about the device. Secondly would be, I should say thirdly actually, would be that this system does have a high enough flow rate on the highest setting that 2 people could theoretically breathe from this device at the same time. All they would have to get is a basic splitter, a 2-way splitter that a person could use, and you can attach 2 nasal cannulas and be able to breathe from it that way. And you don't really have a lot of devices that can provide an effective dose to 2 people at the same time that still gets you in the upper therapeutic range of hydrogen gas, basically that's seen in the research. So that is awesome. Lastly, but not least, I would say I do think that this system is well equipped for like medical clinics and things like that, integrative medical clinics, wellness centers, these things. And it allows people to be able to do an inhalation session within like a short window of 30 minutes to 45 minutes, saturate their body completely with hydrogen rapidly so that the session time can be condensed. So these are things that I like about it. Really enjoyed testing this unit and it met our approval. So definitely pumped about that. In the end, the Hydro for Health 4500 Pro stands out as a high capacity, high therapeutic range hydrogen inhalation system. With H2 Hub verified performance that exceeds the manufacturer's claims, advanced layer safety features, and a high enough flow rate for dual user capacity. Is built for clinics and serious in-home users. Backed by HU Hub's testing and our seal of approval, the 4500 Pro has qualified itself for HU Hub's recommendation, delivering professional-grade hydrogen therapy that you can trust. Here are 3 reasons why you should consider this product. High-capacity performance. The 4500 Pro delivers HU Hub verified output at just over 3100 milliliters per minute of pure H2 on the highest setting, placing it among the highest output systems available. High therapeutic potential. Due to this device's high flow rates, it provides some of the highest possible therapeutic dosing for HU inhalation available. Professional grade build. Designed for longer sessions, all-day operation, and equipped with multiple built-in safety mechanisms. Question: do you think the dual user capability makes a big difference, or would you use this device solo? Let me know in the comments. Well, if you like this unit, you can learn more about it at our website. You can find the link to that in the description of this video. All in all, this is a great device, and you like the content that we're putting out, please be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and we'll catch you in the next video.